Hello, welcome to ECOVACS 2022 Global Product Launch Event. It really is a pleasure to have so many of you joining us here. And today, I am going to introduce you our newest state-of-the-art robots. And through these robots, you will get to know a brand new ECOVACS robotics. Over the past 25 years, by combining the right hardware, such as sensors, motors, and processors, with the right software, our proprietary SLAM and AI technologies, we have introduced our market-leading floor cleaning robot DBot, the first of its kind air purification robot AirBot, and the window cleaning robot WinBot. We're committed to improving people's everyday lives. This year, we have launched DBot X1 family globally, which integrated superior cleaning functions, the first ever voice assistant eco, and leading AI technologies. Recently, we have upgraded our strategy and redefined ECOVACS' new mission, Robotics for All. Our mission is to enrich and push the relationship between humans and robots forward. Adding to the mission, our brand new vision, advancing robotic technologies to serve the world, to create a holistic ecosystem between humans and robotics in lifestyle and production. It is rooted in the belief that the role of the robots is to shape new dimensions of convenience in people's everyday lives. Our new mission and vision are not only a restatement of our original aspirations, but also serve to guide in each step forward. We hope to present you products of the future, to step beyond boundaries of the household and into broader scenarios of robotics use. Through such efforts, we hope our robots can serve more people and communities worldwide. With this ambition, we're proud to unveil two new ECOVACS robotics products for you today. And first, please follow me to a relaxing garden. Hello, good to see you again. In this beautiful garden here, it is my pleasure to unveil the first product of the day, ECOVACS' brand new robotic lawnmower. Before I reveal the product details, I would like to share with you some of our studies about lawn mowing. There are around 250 million private gardens across the world, and lawn maintenance happens 8 out of 12 months throughout the year. In 2021, the global market size of lawn care products reached $5.75 billion US. And I still remember the first robotic lawnmower was born in 1995, which was even 2 years ahead of the first robotic vacuum cleaner. However, the development of robotic lawnmowers has fallen far behind. Take market size, for example. Just last year, robotic vacuum cleaner market reached $6.1 billion US. In comparison, robotic lawnmower was just $700 million US. Global-wise, 27% of the indoor vacuum cleaning devices are robots already. However, the robotization rate of lawn care products is only a bit more than 10%. We have also found that many families with gardens around the world already have our DBot products. They often express to me, in comparison to DBot, which is now highly intelligent and effective due to its development over the years, why is robotic lawnmower lagging so far behind? They also ask me, as a robotics company, can ECOVACS create a really smart robotic lawnmower for them? Today, we answer their expectations. At present, the intelligent level of so-called robotic lawnmowers in market is actually quite poor. From our perspective, they don't even have the basic capabilities of a robot. We might just call them the Stone Age products, which can be reflected by a series of the user's unmet needs. Number one, users of today need to preset the boundaries through manual installation of electronic cables, which is just time-consuming. Number two, without the right sensors, current robot lawnmowers cannot locate itself correctly within those boundaries. As a result, it can only work in a random pattern, which mows the lawn inefficiently. Number 3, the robot often gets stuck with other objects in its path, which might severely cause damages or even personnel injuries. We consider all of those deficiencies make the product of today essentially not a robot. And those deficiencies will certainly hold back potential consumers from the current robotic lawnmowers. And for those who have already bought those robotic lawnmowers, they also just put them aside after using it for a few times. To sum up, there are 3 core capabilities to tackle those bottlenecks. There are boundary recognition, localization, and navigation. I do think they're the must of a robot in any environment. As we always say, nothing can be accomplished without norms or rules. And we can take an example of everyday life. In the football game, a football player must play within the boundaries. He locates his position in the game and understands his relationship with the team. And throughout the game, he also navigates himself forward, agilely and efficiently. Today, it's a great honor for me to introduce to you the first ever intelligent robotic lawnmower. Let me bring you into the golden age of the category. Yes, this is really a groundbreaking product. Now let's get to know more about GOAT G1. I would like to say the key to unlock full capabilities of a robotic lawnmower is precise localization, which is exactly our expertise. Back to 2013, ECOVACS already launched a D-Bot equipped with a laser distance sensor. In 2018, with the launch of a D-Bot empowered by visual simultaneous localization and mapping technology, ECOVACS became the only home service robotics company capable of localization through both laser and visual sensors. And now, we approach the challenge of developing a real robotic lawnmower. After studying thousands of gardens, we found that the challenges of outdoor environment are quite different from indoor spaces. Within the walls of home, boundaries are quite clear. However, most gardens are either half or completely open, and that means their physical boundaries are difficult to be recognized. Because of these challenges, we believe robotic vision with our VSLAM solution is the best fit for robotic lawnmower. By using cameras, it can accurately capture feature points of its surrounding areas, reducing dependency on clear physical boundaries. For GOAT G1, we provide a revolutionary localization solution, and we call it True Mapping Multi-Fusion Localization System. This is empowered by a binocular vision solution never seen before in the industry. That is composed of a 360-degree panoramic camera and a fisheye camera. The panoramic camera on the top has an effective sight range up to 100 meters, enabling the robot to gain a full view of the garden no matter where it is. And the fisheye camera in the front has a 150-degree visual angle and a 100 meters effective visual range, focusing on the front and ground views. Such binocular vision localization system can scan the whole garden in real time at a speed of 25 frames per second. In such frames, it can detect more than 500 position feature points on the ground in 3D space. This makes accurate localization possible. At present, some of our competitors are using RTK solution in the market. The solution relies on differential GPS technology, of which the signals are easily disrupted by the ionosphere and blocked by buildings or trees in the garden. If installation of any extra base station at elevated location is needed, there will be much more to do. In comparison, we never consider RTK to be the right localization solution, and we believe the binocular vision localization system will be the most accurate solution for the product. In addition to binocular vision, the True Mapping Multi-Fusion Localization System is also integrated with technologies of ultra-wideband wireless carrier wave communication, inertial navigation, and GPS localization. In recent years, UWB technology has been picked up in many use cases, and today we have pioneered that into the application of a robotic lawnmower. It is adopted by G1 and offers the advantages of low latency, low energy consumption, and easy installation. Combined with navigation and GPS location, our solutions are extremely dependable, even in the most complex gardens in the world. Aside from providing a dependable localization solution, the system can also release people from the requirement of manual efforts to preset boundaries by burying cables, which are required by the existing robotic lawnmowers in market today. And this is one of the biggest complaints we heard from the customers. In a standard 500 square meter garden, for example, it may take up to 2 to 3 hours to install the cables. And in a garden, objects like trees, flower beds, swimming pools, or pipes will make the cable pass a headache. And your trouble doesn't end there. If cables are accidentally broken, or even if you need to change the layout of your garden, everything needs to start over again. With our Go G1, people can completely free their hands from the complicated manual boundary setting. When using it for the first time, you just need to remote control G1 by the app to make a full walk around your garden. And G1 will identify and define the boundary and create a map of a standard garden through its way, which only takes 20 to 30 minutes. If any change takes place in your garden, you just need to follow this process again. It is easy to operate, time and cost saving. In addition, G1 can also precisely distinguish the lawn and other surface through our AI ground segmentation technology that makes the recognition of lawn boundary more accurate, which helps to improve mowing coverage. Precise navigation, efficient mowing, and obstacle avoidance can be truly achieved only if we solve the problems of localization and boundary setting. Existing robotic lawnmowers navigate in a random pattern. This leads to low efficiency and poor quality. We have done on-site tests and found out that a robotic lawnmower which claims cutting 600 square meters a day actually only cuts 600 square meters in a week. Comparing to them, our G1, based on accurate boundary recognition and localization, is able to move throughout the garden in a highly efficient manner. It really is able to achieve 600 square meters in a day and deliver a fresh, neat, and presentable cut. Another problem for existing robotic lawnmowers is the risk of getting stuck, colliding with other objects, injuring people, or damaging properties, as I just mentioned. Our survey shows that it is hard for users to accept robots damage pipes or sprinklers, or even injure small animals, such as hedgehogs. According to statistics from a Swiss organization for welfare of hedgehogs, the number of hedgehogs hurt by lawnmowers and sent for treatment has greatly increased in recent years. It is because the conventional robotic lawnmower uses ultrasound sensors alone to avoid obstacles. And in that way, they cannot detect small animals, pipes, or sprinklers hidden in the grass. They're not able to precisely avoid taller obstacles either, such as trees and people in its path. And now, our expertise in obstacle avoidance will make a difference in the robotic lawnmower industry. G1 is equipped with IV 3D solution, which consists of vision sensors and TOF sensors. To make the solution perfectly fit in the garden, we have conducted tens and thousands of field tests to train the AI models through a unique neural network, so that the G1 could avoid objects in the garden and stop cutting when necessary. For taller obstacles, such as swings and trees, TOF sensors could accurately estimate the distance and bypass them at a close range. This greatly reduces untreated grass. Safety is always our top priority when designing a robot moving around people. IV 3D solution can detect within a scope of 360 degrees. Whenever necessary, the robot will pause its blades and bypass at a safe distance of ½ meter. In addition to greatly improved performances on boundary, localization, and navigation, G1 is a robotic garden keeper beyond its moving functions. Leveraging its binocular vision and Ivy 3D algorithms, G1 helps to enhance garden security no matter where you are. You can easily get real-time images of your garden by checking our app on the mobile phone. Our G1 can detect and identify hazards or threats automatically, giving an alarm and send you a message through the app. Rest assured, all the sensors, software programs, and mobile app of the G1 are TÜV Rheinland certified for data protection. Now, I believe it's easy to understand. GOAT G1 can solve those problems on existing robotic lawnmowers by applying a combination of multiple technology breakthroughs. G1 will completely change your mowing experience. So, let's meet G1's ambassador through its eyes to find out what his garden life is like.
Hello Goat, how are you?
He is a smart midfielder and able to easily overtake obstacles. He is robust and adept at tackling challenges with exceptional performances. He is precise and capable of scoring the most beautiful goals with the most elegant curves.
Hello ECOVACS fans, I'm Michael Ballack. Nice to meet you. The lawn has meant a lot to me. It's been a long time part of my life and career. I'm a football player. The pitch is my battlefield. I'm so obsessed with the experience on it. I enjoyed the beautifully mowed lawn and I was always looking for a perfect mowing solution until I met ECOVACS GOAT G1. It is a truly easy to use, smart and reliable robotic lawn mower. GOAT G1, a cut above the rest. I hope that in the future more people will enjoy G1 and enjoy the intelligent life brought by ECOVACS. Hey David, this one is for you.
Thanks, Michael. Indeed, precise, robust, and smart are the three keywords to reflect Michael's career. There are also the keywords I would like to describe GOAT G1. With these capabilities, GOAT G1 will bring a cut above the rest and take you into the golden age of lawn care. All of these open a new chapter for ECOVACS. Our robots have stepped from indoor to outdoor and will continuously answer the needs of users all around the world. Welcome to Suzhou, the elegant and beautiful garden city. It is also the home of ECOVACS. Where I stand right now is the Suzhou Museum, designed by the late master architect I.M. Pei. In many of his designs, he had found an innovative way to connect people with space. And to pay homage to the great architect from Suzhou, today we as a global brand rooted in Suzhou would like to show you the newest products that we have designed. And I believe they will be an integral part of how robotics interact with public spaces in the future. 25 years ago, we pioneered robotic floor cleaning industry. In China, by the end of last year, of the total $5 billion floor cleaning device market, robotics shared a penetration rate of over 40%. By comparison, while China's market of commercial cleaning equipment is up to $7 billion, its robotization rate is only 0.56%, which is incredibly low. And that means in the most commercial spaces, cleaning still is heavily relied on manual labor with traditional equipment. So why is the penetration rate of commercial cleaning robots so low? After a great amount of customer interviews and surveys, we discovered that our commercial customers require the cleaning robot to address the following problems. First of all, commercial settings are complex. Large equipment is efficient, but cannot fit into tight spaces due to its size. And small equipments are nimble, but they are inefficient to tackle large spaces. And neither of them can be independently relied upon to satisfy commercial needs. Second, to quickly cover large spaces of commercial settings, cleaning robots are required to move fast. But technologies with current robots in market are incapable of achieving perfect balance among efficiency, reliability, and safety. Third, normally multiple robots are expected to conduct cleaning work in a large commercial space. However, with current products in market, a lot of extra human efforts are needed for daily operation and maintenance. And furthermore, there is no communication or collaboration among those working robots. Last but not the least, current commercial cleaning robots are just too expensive to make it a worthwhile investment at once. We aim to solve such pain points for the industry. And based on our 25-year expertise in floor cleaning and technical superiority in robotics, today we will share with you our solution. They are a multi-product portfolio, a revolutionary technology in localization and navigation, an imaginative way of how robots will work together in the future, and a cost-saving business model for our customers. Now, let's welcome our brand new debot Pro, K1 and M1. Here, you see our newest solution for commercial setting, debot Pro K1 and M1. Together, they will satisfy all the cleaning needs. This is K1. It has the most compact design in the industry, and is nimble enough to move through a space with the minimum breadth of 52 centimeters. It also has a cleaning system capable of mopping, sweeping, dust pushing, and vacuuming. Therefore, it can automatically switch cleaning models for different ground materials, which makes it perfect for small and medium-sized commercial spaces, with both hard floor and carpet. K1 is also equipped with side brushes, which can reach the very edge of flooring and leave absolutely no spot uncleaned. For a single round, K1 can cover an area up to 2,200 square meters. This is the M1. We have designed it to be the professional robot cleaner for medium to large spaces. With its 3-in-1 capabilities of sweeping, cleaning, and dust pushing, it is perfect for highly efficient cleaning of large and open spaces. The M1 is capable of covering 4,800 square meters for a single cleaning task. Both the K1 and M1 support an all-in-one Omni station with automatic water refill, auto-emptying, and auto-charging functions. The combination use of K1 and M1 is indeed the best solution for all types of commercial spaces, which will provide the best balance among cleaning performance, efficiency, and coverage. Boundary setting, localization, and navigation technologies are the foundation for all robots, and commercial robot cleaners are no exception. Commercial spaces can be thousands or even tens of thousands of square meters large, and they often only have large glass panels, which cannot be detected by LiDARs. During commercial operating hours, there are usually many pedestrians, which creates a difficult issue for robots to navigate around. And these are just two of many challenges a robot will face in commercial setting. So, when it comes to recognizing the boundary, K1 and M1 are both equipped with our own proprietary Crew-C high-precision LiDAR. This long-range, high-precision LiDAR is able to deliver 14,400 point rate to to 28,800 point rates per second, and it has a range as far as 50 meters. The speed of mapping is 2 times faster than existing products in market. With this technology, our robots are able to see further and accurately identify the boundaries in the environment. Also benefited from the Cruci LiDAR. By accurately identifying the boundary of the environment, both K1 and M1 can achieve the centimeter level accuracy in localization and plan a highly efficient cleaning path by themselves. Therefore, K1 can achieve a performance of covering 450 square meters per hour and M1 800 square meters per hour. For navigation and obstacle avoidance, we're the first in industry to adopt a TOF-based depth sensing camera as the primary sensor. It has an ultra-large field of view, which is 2 times bigger than the typical structured light solution in market. Each depth camera projects up to 43,000 laser points into ambient space every 50 milliseconds. Combining with our proprietary IVY 3D technology and a deep neural network, they can identify up to 14 types of obstacles. As a result, the depth accuracy is incredible, which enables the robot to avoid all kinds of standing objects and moving pedestrians accurately. I would like to address another problem with the existing commercial cleaning robot. They work at a standalone model. Even several robots operating in the same space, there's no synergy of their work, and this increases a lot of extra cost for robotic maintenance. And to solve this issue, we are here to bring an industry first, a multi-robot collaboration system, Hive. Homogeneous intelligence, variable execution. Now, let's get to know more about Hive.
Hive, the revolutionary robotic collaboration system introduced by ECOVACS. It enables robots to exchange information and collaborate with each other. With Hive, robots can share infrastructure configuration, information of environment and positioning, and perform central coordination. After initial setup, newly added robots can immediately share the settings such as lifts, access control, and Omni stations. Thanks to Hive's deployment capability, multiple robots can share a minimum number of bases and stations to meet battery charging and water refuel needs. These greatly improve cleaning efficiency. K1 and M1 are equipped with the same Cruci high-precision LiDAR. At the same height, pointing to the same angle, after any robot finishes mapping, the information will be synchronized to the Hive system and distributed to all the robots to ensure the consistent perception of working environment among all the collaborative robots. Hive can schedule shifts and issue commands to different robots for different cleaning types automatically. K1 is compact and flexible to clean the low and narrow spaces. M1 is powerful to deep clean the wide open lobby area. With Hive, they can work at different complexity level perfectly. Hive, the real robotic intelligence. It will open a new chapter of commercial cleaning industry.
At this point, I think you can tell why Hive is such an amazing innovation we have introduced to the market. It makes the cooperation among robots possible in commercial scenarios and provides an easy-to-use, cost-effective solution to our customers. We believe there will be much more potential value with this system in the near future. More robotic product solutions will grow out from Hive. On top of the K1, M1, and Hive that we have introduced today, we also want to reduce the operation cost for our customers. With this goal in mind, we have made the K1 and M1 available through leasing, which will greatly lower the cost of purchase for you. Through this way, the adoption of commercial robotics is easier than ever. I cannot wait to see the possibilities of K1 and M1 in commercial settings in the near future. The new products we launched today Gold G1 and DBOT Pro unfold a new chapter. ECOVACS have crossover from indoor to outdoors, from home to commercial. This echoes our mission, robotics for all. By my side, you can see the latest portfolio of ECOVACS service robots. The all-in-one vacuum and mopping robot, DBOT X1 Pro Omni, with automatic water refill features. The multifunctional air purification robot, AirBot Z1, and our window cleaning robot, WinBot W1 Pro. They comprise the full solution from ECOVACS for home cleaning scenarios. The new products we have launched today, Gold G1, DBOT Pro K1 and M1, are now added to our product family. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on the full portfolio of our products. These products are powered by our constant breakthrough in chips, motors, and sensors, and our continuous innovation in software capabilities, such as AI, SLAM algorithms, and navigation. Today, there are over 25 million ECOVACS robots serving users in more than 145 countries and regions in the world. In the ever-changing world, we stay committed to serve our customers and users by constantly delivering our innovative and high-quality products as fast as we can. Gold G1 is a good example of this. It will be available for both China and Europe market in March next year. To know more details about the G1, you can visit ECOVACS' official website. On the other hand, for DBOT Pro, we are going to launch the first ever ECOVACS robotics leasing platform. On it, through compatibility model matching your needs with the right mix of products, we believe you will find a total solution for your use case. All customers who place orders on this platform will be supported exclusively by our specialists. This one-stop service will greatly save your time, budget, and effort. We have launched this platform in China as a pilot market, and we encourage you to check it out. I believe that both Gold G1 and DBOT Pro are groundbreaking products, and they will usher you in a new era of robotics use. Today, through these products, I believe you can feel the purpose of ECOVACS. We are committed to solving people's problems, liberating hands at home from household chores, to totally changing the way of robots serve people in public spaces. This is what we are passionate about. Thank you once again for being with us today. I would like to thank all of our users and partners for the support over the years. I am super excited to embrace the journey with you to achieve our mission, robotics for all.